going to be doing a series here of units that are still installed that I'm going to try and acquire. Seeing that place recently closed. This is a large chassis Comfortaire unit. I don't know why the side vents are ripped open, but they are. Replacement fan motor. Looks like that's a Bristol compressor on there. So yeah, a little bit of coil rot, nothing crazy. Looks like it does have the front grille on it. Yeah, quick shot of that. I got a 45-minute drive ahead of me, and I'll hopefully acquire a large chassis carrier weathermaker.